And we're back.
We messed up the first. Haha. We messed up the first part of it. So
Here we go. We have a
open
Dark
fully-
Zone Disruptor.
Ah.
Oh no!
Holy crap!
Dude! We're alive!
Bro. Okay, so we got the dirty darts. No, we got I think we just put them in.
That's not how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's a hopper.
I should have got... I wish my dad wouldn't have got me the, this. And I wish he would have gotten me the, hot ones.
No. I don't like hot stuff. I tried Takis yesterday.
Oh, did you try the blue ones before?
The Takis?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They're so hot.
I know. Like, I almost killed myself.
Kill yourself? Why would you kill yourself working Takis? They're actually pretty good.
I know.
The red ones aren't that hot.
Bro, they gotta be facing the right way.
The red
It's
ones are
faster than voting magazine, though.
No, it's not. This is way slower.
No, it's not.
I mean, it's slower. It's faster to open, but here we got one more.
We'll see if this actually works.
Let's see if this actually fits.
Okay.
You got a bunch more over here.
Holy crap! I'm gonna shoot the camera!
Let me do it.
That thing's so good!
Oh, jeez, man.
It's awesome!
Do you hold this down?
Yo, this is the rev.
Oh. And then you...
Whatever, here, shake it.
Here. Probably jammed or something.
It's either jammed or out of ammo.
Probably out of ammo because we just ran 30 bullets.
Yeah, it was just a little jam. But,
Probably because it's knockoff ammo.
yeah, but,
It would still be...
yeah, I got this thing for $30. Wow. This is, okay, let's pick up bullets now.
Okay.
We'll edit this part out.
You can't pause this, so... Yeah. Hashtag sponsored.
It might be sponsored, and it might not be sponsored.
Are you kidding me? You don't have sponsors.
It could be sponsored.
How?
It
It would say it includes paid proportion on the bottom.
I know.
But
It might. Whoa.
what would even be sponsored by?
This thing shoots really fast.
Obviously. Alright, now I get to run more bullets because I only got like 4.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
I wonder why your mom thinks that we went to the dollar store.
Yeah, like, she's weird sometimes.
What do you mean what we talked about?
Where are the rest of the bullets?
Those are all the bullets, dude.
I thought it came with 30 bullets.
Those are the bullets. Also, when your mom said, you know what we talked about at the dollar store, what did you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
I have no idea.
Or do you probably do?
This hopper isn't easy to get out. I mean, we're gonna have to learn.
This guy doesn't know much about technology.
Okay.
I wonder what the spring does.
It's probably.
I need to shoot more because I haven't even shot that much.
Okay, let's put in some darts. This isn't a horrible gun.
I mean, it's not the greatest though.
Yeah.
So.
it just shot.
I say it's not the greatest, but it's still good.
Like, it was for $30.
I don't recommend it.
It's $30, dude.
Really?
Yes.
That's a ripoff.
No, it is not. You do not understand Nerf guns.
And do I? Because I have way more than you do.
Do you want to go downstairs and see how many I have?
No, I have way more than you.
I have more than you.
The ones in my room are half of them.
Where's your other ones then?
They're at my mom's and in the garage. They're on a top shelf full of them. I can't keep them in my room. Let me shoot it. Let me shoot it. I haven't got to shoot.
Holy crap, that shoots fast.
Alright, let me try.
You can hold it with
Ha! You think that I'm tough? Well, guess what?
It's shooting so fast. When it starts to lose bullets, it starts to have a slower rate of fire. That is awesome.
What do you want to do?
You gotta admit, that was awesome.
Bro, I could hook. Oh, nothing out there. I just came up with an idea. I could hook my GoPro up to my helmet, and we could do a Nerf gun battle.
You want to do that?
If you want to.
Sure.
Well, it's at my house, so.
I get to take this though.
Okay. And good luck.
And I'm gonna
reloading,
take tons of bullets.
You can take mine though.
How about you only get to bring enough bullets to fill up a magazine and you have to pick them up?
Alright. Well,
So
you can shoot while you're picking them up though, so.
yeah.
Good luck reloading there, buddy.
Well, this is a pretty nice black. Okay, I forgot to do the outro.
The what?
Goodbye.
Oh, peace.
Peace out, kid.